What is up, everybody? It's your boy Frill Shocker, the 96 Hedgehog here, with our Week 5. Yes, Week 5 NBA matchup. We are taking on N-Fish 2, and this is going to be a pretty good matchup. They have a very scary Lele Mega Mewtwo team. Oh, they also have some pretty good Mons and Zamazenta and all that as well. They have Snorlax. Overall, like a super top-heavy team. Not a lot of other good things on their team, honestly. There's things like Hydreigon, though, is pretty good. So, hopefully this is a good matchup. Rain looks incredibly broken against them, so I'm hoping for a good time. So, yeah, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And with that being said, let's go ahead and get into the matchup. I am a little nervous for this one because, again, Mega Mewtwo is incredibly fast. So, yeah. Don't mind me, guys. I'm just trying to make sure my cat doesn't try to do certain things here. But, yeah, I am, super excited for this matchup. Let's go ahead and show you guys the team a little bit. We have here Mega Aggron, fully specially defensive with Curse and Body Press, pretty much to be able to just take on everything. Toxic really just there as well. If I can get one Curse up, I can start Body Pressing and Heavy Slamming down a lot of things. We've got Dragovich here. Oh, ready to go. Good luck. One. This is pretty much the team I was expecting. No Pukemaku! I will take that. So we do see the 3 combo. We do see Aegislash. Okay, so Aegislash was a possibility. It could have been brought there. So I do need to be careful. I'm just gonna lead with my Orca. My Orca matches up well against everything, and there's no real reason not to lead with it. My Dragon. If you're 3 attacks offensive with my Kyogre, which is meant to be like pretty much specially defensive, Ice Beam's doing good work to you. There's an Ice Beam here. Even if he goes into Aegislash, not the end of the world right here. Actually, I could just also go for the Origin Pulse. Yeah, I just rather Ice Beam here. I am a Rest Sleep Talk, kind of somewhat specially defensive set this week. I am running Damp Rock as well, because Damp Rock is, so he's going for that. No Freeze, thankfully. Alright, so you're Timid +2. Dark Pulse does not do anything to me. Draco Meteor doesn't guarantee knock me out. I should live any one hit you want to go for here. Yep. Get rid of this bad boy. That's awesome. Getting rid of Hydra's great. Because now Thunder Spam is going to be happening right now. I did go dual Scarf with both ZAPDOS and my boy Munch, making his return again. Also making its debut is Ludicolo. I guess that's spoilers. Forget what I just said. Maybe should have made the switch to Aggron right there, but I didn't really feel like it. And plus, if there's a chance I can rest up. In comes the Mewtwo. Okay, so now I gotta think about this. Who do I think I don't win with here? Let's take a look-see here. Mega Mewtwo. My special attacker. To my Seismitoad, it does 88 to 103 if he Side Strikes, which he should. And then it does 93. So it's best to keep Toad around. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get rid of Toad. I don't think I need Toad. Megamind, I actually do like that name. Kind of fits. So my Seismitoad should live unless he goes for the Energy Ball. He does Side Strike. We get the roll, baby. Let's go. Alright, and now... in the rain, Hydro Pump does good damage. Surf also does pretty good damage. Wait. Oh, I'm looking at my Ludicolo. Whoops. With rain up. Hydro Pump does about half. Doesn't have an Earthquake switch in here, so I could just Earthquake here. I cap at 4088. Do outspeed. I think I Earthquake here. Yes! Oh, let's go, baby! Oh, let's go, baby. That's beautiful. That is beautiful. Alright, so to Mega Mewtwo with my Ludicolo, what do I have to hit him with? If Zamazenta comes in, my best move to hit it is actually Surf, actually, to 2 KO it. If Snorlax comes in, it's Spadef. Does Hurricane knock out the Aegis Slash at the range it is at? Aegis Slash, if it's Mixed Wall Breaker. In shield form, Hurricane does 27 to 32. Let's just look at that max. Let's see. So let's sit in shield form with my Seismitoad. That should have killed. So that thing's got to have some bulk. 87 to 107. So that's 77. It's physically defensive. 67 to 77. That's about the damage I'm seeing. So to max HP, it's 22 to 25. So it does not kill. Volt Switch will kill, though. Volt Switch does always kill. To max HP. And now we just go into Dracovish, baby. And Dracovish is going to click a button. My Ludicolo's looking really good now, too. And he's really... now he's only really got one answer to my... he's only got one answer now to my Aggron, which is pretty dang nice if you ask me. He does go Lele, so I'm going to assume that is Choice Scarf Lele, and they have to go Moonblast. There's no other reason you have to go for anything else besides Moonblast. So I'm going to beat the Moonblast. So 23%. Lele. Scarf Moonblast to Aggron. That is not Mega. Should have only done 22 to 26. So that does look like standard Timid right there. Alright, so what I'm thinking of doing right here, into Zamazenta, if I go for one curse, it's not doing much to me. I also could just raw Heavy Slam here. So Zamazenta, can I kill him with Dracovish? Oh, wow, I actually don't. Oh, I didn't even... oh, that's bad, actually. I did not take into account for his speed. Oh, no. I messed up. Oh, shoot. I messed that up. Oh, that's bad. Oh, that's bad. I'm gonna go voltage here. Oh, let's go, baby. I'm so good at this game. Free hurricane. Who wants to catch a hurricane? Ooh, that's actually kind of bad now. Big man, how much is doing? That did no damage. I go right into Monch here, and this is a free offensive. I know he can body slam. I think he might not body slam here, or she. I don't want to accidentally call someone the wrong gender again, and which I do apologize to the one person. I won't name them out because does earthquake. Vicious Ren, baby! I want to click Vicious Ren. Die, Snorlax! Snorlax gone, man. That's awesome. Zapdos now pretty much can just win this game. I really want to win with Dracovish. I really, really want to win with Dracovish, but I honestly can't be able to do it. I don't have enough pieces to win with Dracovish, so it's probably in my best interest to actually just go ahead and get rid of Dracovish here. Because honestly, my best chance to win this game, actually, do I even really need Aggron? I don't think I need Aggron. I actually think I'm gonna sack Aggron here. Actually, yeah, I really don't need Dracovish since I messed up the speed. I was supposed to be faster than this. But was that I say that? Actually, I think I'm just gonna sack it. He's gonna howl. Because he's not banded. Actually, since he's not banded now, so that's good he's not banded. That's good information. Yeah, I'm just gonna Rens. Oh, this is bad. Oh, this is bad. He's Howl Agility, so he's gotta have a fighting type move. Ooh, he might have Wild Charge. If I'm him, I don't know why you're not killing me. I honestly, God, don't understand why you're not trying to kill me. I could have easily gotten a crit on either one of those turns right there, so I don't know if I agree with that play. If you're somehow rest, this is such a weird set. If you're resto chesto, I actually do think I lose. Yeah, I don't know what you do. What are you doing? Are you resto chesto? I I'm so confused by the plays here. I don't get it, but alright. I feel like my win con is okay. I can just spam Hurricane now. Actually, I think my best play is actually with a Volt Switch here. Yeah, I'm just gonna Volt Switch. Oh, let's go, Zapdos! What was that roll? Was he adamant? I didn't even think about Ice Fang for some reason. Ice Fang at +2 if he's adamant. He's jolly. Wait, that should have killed. How did that not kill me? Oh, I'm looking at Choice Bandit. Because if he's adamant, that guy, he was jolly. Oh my god. Dude, I am so sorry. Oh my god, that sucks. Lele, if you're choice scarfed, Rain versus Ludicolo. I actually do outspeed, and Hydro Pump basically guarantees the kill here. I do also live any one hit here, and I can just go for surf damage, and I can win that way, actually. So I'm going to go for 2 surfs here. Guarantees me the damage here. Psychic. Alright, crit for crit. That makes sense. And I do outspeed Mega Mewtwo. I'm pretty damn... Okay. Really? Really, computer? Mega Mewtwo. Why? Yeah, I do outspeed Mega Mewtwo. Surf won't kill, but ZAPDOS should be able to pick up the win here. I want to say. Right? No, it doesn't. Oh, this might have been a bad idea. I think I'm going to have to ask Aggron to live a hit. What are they doing? I don't understand what they're doing here. Just go for the attack. Go for the attack. What are you doing? Just go for the attack. What are you doing? Go for the attack. I don't know why you're not attacking me. I honestly don't know why they're not attacking me. I really don't know why they're not attacking me. Out of curiosity, if Mega Mewtwo has... Let me look at Focus Blast here. Focus Blast. Versus my Mega Aggron. Heavy Slam always kills. Focus Blast is 63 to 75. I just barely am out of the roll, but if he's modest, which I do think he is... Ooh, it could come down to the wire. What are they doing? I might have to put the timer on because it seems a little ridiculous that they're taking so much long to make this. Okay, I was about to say, like, why is it taking you so long to make this move? Alright. Are you timid or modest? If you're timid, I guarantee you live this hit. If you're modest, it's a roll. We win. Oh, he's over spear. That's even weaker. Yes! Oh my god! That was whoa. Oh my god. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. Wow. Why would you not have both? I guess Aura Spear makes sense. So if you're modest Aura Spear versus my Aggron, you do 47 to 50. Oh, I guaranteed live no matter what. And you did 43%. So you were timid. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh my god. That was insane, guys. Oh, that's a big victory for us right there. We were in really good control here. Dragovich got 1 kill. That's all that matters. Oh man, though, dude. Oh, Zapdos. I love you, Zapdos. But also, let's get a shout out to Mega Aggron, man. Mega Aggron put the team, saved the team right there. I figured he was Scarf Lele by the way he played it right there. Oh my god. You know, freaking Zapdos earned. Oh my god. GG's to Fish, man. They played absolutely great. I was a little wondering why they took so long. I think they were trying to maybe figure out a calc if I was specs or not, or if I was outspeeding anything. Because I do believe Fish was playing this game on their phone. Um, if I remember correctly. So I guess maybe that explains why they took a little while. So I kind of take back the kind of the negative energy I somewhat had there. But man, we move on to now. I believe this is week five. So we go 3-2 right now. I believe we're now at plus 1 or 0 in our differential. I think now. I think I don't really remember off the top of my head, or -1, one of the two. But we now move to 3-2. Big victory right here, and this team has really been doing great for us so far, man. I'm going to take a small moment to talk about this team right now. Is that I think it's just constructed so well that it is so perfectly able to counter a lot of teams out there. Oh my god, it's so good. And Mega Aggron, dude. I've never been that successful with Mega Aggron, and Mega Aggron has put the team to some good support. It carries, and it's just a great tank. By the way, the tank is a Left 4 Dead reference, by the way, if anyone's wondering. I know I probably spelled it wrong, but I felt that's what the way they spelled it in the game. So if I'm wrong, let me know. But anyways, oh my god. GG's the Fish again. At least they lost to a person that had a fish on their team. So at least, actually, two fishes. Yeah, two fishes. Well, yeah, we can call Seismitoad a fish, even though it's a frog. Let's call it three. Seismitoad, I kind of wish I didn't sack there, but at the end, that earthquake play was huge. Like, that earthquake play was so huge for us right there to get that off. So, shout out to Seismitoad. But yeah, I'm going to stop rambling, dragging out this match. But GG's again to Fish. We now move to 3-2. We have 5 more weeks. If we win, I want to say at least 3 of the 5, we should guarantee a spot in the top 8. So we do have a bit of a challenge still to go. Next week, we are taking on my good pal, David. And your boy David's going to have some fun. I'm just kidding. I'm not really evil. I'm a good guy. But I'm excited for that matchup. I actually already have it prepped and ready to go. So once things are going, it'll be time to start prepping against, be scheduling against David. But yeah, GZ getting the Fish. I'm going to see you guys next time. Definitely leave a like if you're ready. Subscribe if you are new. Hit the like button for ZAPDOS, man. ZAPDOS earned title for sure. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.